Welcome, today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings icon, settings application, and right now you can see here the display section. Go there, and here you get the wallpaper section. Tap here, and as can you see, we can choose your new wallpaper from the live wallpaper, from the photos on your device, and from the regular default wallpapers. And for example, we'll go in with this one. Just now tap here, okay, and we want to change the lock screen. Just go there, and as you can see, we got here the message that our wallpaper set successfully, and now we'll check that. Yes, can you see we got here the new wallpaper? So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.